Right side looked like he was coming. He looked like he was coming, but shit, he ain't. That takeoff wasn't good enough. Dang, boy, he was. Hey, he was running them down though. Oh shit, we got a little spray.
That's just water coming in the exhaust.
Oh, okay, yeah, he do be having water come out of his exhaust. Hey man, what you think about that Mustang just made a pass? That's a good class. That's up there with that ZL1 or now.
I don't know, man. You something to run them.
You got a car?
Nah, I got a truck.
You got a truck? Okay. You got a little any work done? What kind you got? A Ford or Chevy? You got a Chevy? You believe what's the best diesel? Who make the best diesel? Ford, Chevy, or Dodge? Dodge?
I don't know, man.
You don't know?
I've had a 46, so that bitch it's bulletproof and it was tweaked out. That bitch was bad.
For real? I thought they said a 6.0 was the worst one.
I mean, if it's stock, yeah.
Once you do. Oh, okay.
Some comp turbos and shit. It was.
Oh, what? What year was that?
2004.
Ooh.
It was a sleeper stock as hell.
So
It looked stock. It looked stock. It wasn't stock on the hood though.
Damn. We got Dirty Pigeon 181. He said his was bulletproof. I had to, fam. You one of the best I seen. Right now we got 403 people watching, y'all. Shout out to all y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. Right line for the win, y'all. We didn't do no good. Let's see, a 97 Dodge Cummins. That's the best one to you?
Let it eat!
Let it eat! I don't know, no, we got, what we gotta do? We got Hell Yeah back here. Hollywood in the building. Oh, that's my boy Hollywood. Punky Town Hollywood. Yep, that's him. That's my boy, y'all. Hey, with the 6'2", way. It's Hollywood with the 6'2". $6. We know when he comes, he has money. When Hollywood comes, he has money. Yo puedo dinero. Yo puedo. Hollywood, you need to run this GTO, man. It's Monaro. That's just for fun. Next time you come, you get you a little shakedown with him, man, so it can look like you're doing something. Got Dirty Pigeon in the game, y'all. How he get that name? Shoot, he probably went to the store one day, get some chicken. Came back with the wrong chicken ever. He probably took it to his mama. She was like, boy, I don't want no damn Dirty Pigeon. Yeah, that's how he got that name. Okay. Oh shit, motherfucker running. Dawson probably just gonna try to make a clean pass through Yello Belly. He always testing and tuning, putting something extra, more nitrous, or you know, he trying to get the bugs out. He really like a Yello Belly celebrity. His name Hell Yeah. He once flipped the car over at another track while making a pass because it popped a wheelie. It flipped over and then he jumped out the car and said, "Hell yeah!" That's his name, hell yeah. Damn, I kind of want to bet Funky Town. Hey, they want to bet. Get him, man. Get him. How much?
I'm not going off the light, because then I said the light. I'm going to ask people if they break out or not.
Yeah, we going by what they say, not the light. We going by what the tower say. This is an 8-0 race.
8-0 race.
They can't set the light,
So we're going to wait on that. Bet 10. Bet 10.
What they say.
Okay.
Not the
Okay.
light.
Bet.
What they say.
All right.
Bet.
All right. He expecting Snoop to get knocked off on this one, y'all. If they don't say nothing, nobody get paid, right? Or we going off the light? Nah, they gonna say something. What's up with it, man? I've been all right. Get that meat for them nachos. Okay.
Hey man, how did I get some coveralls like that?
Man, I really don't know. I gotta figure out something to do.
I'll bring mine if you have that shit done.
Okay, yeah, I could do that. I could do that. All right.
Can I get the?
I think you can get the you can get the big on the back, man. I'ma just tell you where I go. I go to Art Luna.
Okay.
You know him on Facebook.
I don't know, but I know.
Yeah, they got the Apple Drop. That's the name of their company or something. I think it was like 80 or 90 embroidered.
So if I go and tell them we have to look at it.
Yeah, they out. Damn. How the hell he done fell? Oh, damn, he hurt. Yeah. Oh, shit, he big. Oh. Yeah, he all right. Damn. God damn. Shit, I ain't know he was that big. I ain't know he was that big till he was on the ground. God damn. That's a 280 pounder right here.
Let's wait on what they say.
Yeah.
Let's wait on what they say.
Hey, man, who won, man? Oh. They already called.
They need to call that shit. Hey, what
He said wait until what they